Hey there everyone, I hope you're all fine. So in this video we are gonna learn how to delete your Brawl Stars account. So if you are very addicted to this game or you have your exams coming up, I can totally understand you want to delete the game. So I will show you how you can do that. So firstly you need to click on this hamburger menu here on the top right corner and then go to settings, and you will not be able to find a direct option to just click on delete. There is no such option. You need to go to help and support, and once you are here you can see an option called account. So click on it and then click on the very last option, access or delete your data. Click on request deletion of your personal data. Once you click on it, then click on delete my data. Click on new conversation, and then they will give you a bunch of options. So you need to click on I agree to delete my data. So you need to just click on it, and they will ask you again for your confirmation. You just have to click on delete account, and then within 14 days they will delete your account. So if you want to log in within those 14 days, they will not delete your account. So you have to wait until 14 days. Right now I will not select on it. So that's how you can delete your Brawl Stars account. So that's it for today guys. Hope you found the video helpful. See you soon.